East African women, from the Red Sea to the Indian Ocean. One love, one strength, one future. Queens of East Africa, beauty with a purpose. Different languages, one proud heritage. From Eritrea to Kenya, from Rwanda to Tanzania. Strong like Kilimanjaro, bright like the morning sun. Coffee in the highlands, music in the streets. Culture never fades, our heartbeat never sleeps. East African queens, standing side by side. Strong in our culture, strong in our pride. Different traditions, different dreams. One beautiful family, East African queens. East African queens. East African queens. Yeah. Eritrean confidence, Ethiopian history, Somali resilience, Djibouti dignity, Kenyan ambition, Ugandan smile, Tanzanian spirit, Rwandan hope shines, Burundi courage, South Sudan rising, beautiful together, always inspiring. Not divided, united, different roots, one future, different cultures, one respect. East Africa, stand together. East African queens, shining across the world. Respect every culture, respect every woman. Together we rise, together we dream, together forever. East African queens. East African queens. From the Horn of Africa to the Great Lakes, to every daughter, this is your anthem. Hareg Hiwet official.
East African Queens, a cinematic journey.
From the Red Sea to the Indian Ocean, our heritage shines. In the mountains and valleys, our spirits rise. United in diversity, we are East Africa.